Bonjour! Today I would love to share with you a poem called You Start Dying Slowly. This poem is written by Pablo Neruda. He was a Spanish poet and he is a Nobel Prize winner as well. Let me begin with the poem. You start dying slowly if you do not travel, if you do not read, if you do not listen to the sounds of life, if you do not appreciate yourself. You start dying slowly when you kill your self-esteem, when you do not let others help you. You start dying slowly if you become slave of your own habits, every day walking on the same paths, if you do not change your routine, if you do not wear different colors, or if you do not speak to those whom you do not know. You start dying slowly if you avoid to feel passion and its turbulent emotions, those which make your eyes glisten and your heart beat fast. You start dying slowly if you do not change your life when you're not satisfied with your love or with your job. If you do not risk what is safe for the uncertain, if you do not follow your dream, if you do not allow yourself at least once in a lifetime to run away from the sensible advice. So my dear friends, this poet is trying to tell us that we need to travel, we need to see and explore the world. And this life is too short. We may not be able to experience everything in this life. So read something every day so that you can see the unseen, you can travel the untraveled path. We need to listen to the sounds of life. That is maybe the birds chirping, the rainfall, music, everything. We need to listen to the silence as well. A person who understands his own silence, he understands everything in life. The poet also says that you do not kill your self-esteem. What does it mean? That caste, creed, social status, your intellectual, these things do not make you a person who is inferior or superior to somebody. It's only you yourself. If you think in your mind that you are inferior to somebody, you kill your self-esteem. And if you do that, you start dying slowly. A person who doesn't let others help you. So go and communicate into the world. Go and talk to others, learn from others. That's the way we help each other. When we communicate to each other, we learn a lot from each other. So we should always be communicating to each other. The poet also tries to tell us that do not follow your habits. There might be certain habits which are good and that should be followed, but there are some habits that are bad. Evaluate yourself and break those habits, come out of it. Try to follow different paths in life. Try to wear different colors. That is the joy, the sorrow. These are all different shades of our life. There may be ups and downs in your life. Accept everything. That's how the life is all about. It has all the different colors and you need to acknowledge that. You start dying slowly if you avoid to feel passion. Everybody needs to have something in their life that they are passionate about. That makes you forget the entire world. When you are doing or when you are part of doing something that makes you passionate, you are into that moment, you leave that moment, and everybody should be following a passion that makes the person involved and forget everything about life. You start dying slowly when you're not satisfied with your job and with your love. So in case if you're not satisfied with your job, just go ahead and do something that you might love to do it. Sometimes we make those boundaries and we are into our comfort zone that we do not want to break those comfort zones, and we do not want to, we just want to be there because we feel secured, but we do not want to take those chances. So just go and follow your dreams, and at least once in your lifetime, just run away from the sensible advice and do what you want to do. Just follow your dream, just follow your goals. That's what main thing over here is, that the poet wants us to understand that there is a difference between living and just existing. So people just go out and live your life. Life is a beautiful journey and we shall cross our paths again. Till then, abhyanto.